Hello and welcome to our channel, Simple Beauty Secrets. Clean smells from hands. If you've gotten into something stinky, like you've been to a fish market and you got that big fish smell now on your hands, wash your hands with toothpaste and they'll smell great. The ingredients in toothpaste that deodorize your mouth will work on your hands as well. Toothpaste for mosquito and bed bug bite relief. There's nothing as annoying as a mosquito and a bed bug bite that itches and won't stop. Your skin now looks raw and angry thanks to all the scratching you've been doing. A solution to your problem sits in your bathroom. Tab a little bit of toothpaste on the bug bite and allow it to dry. You should feel relief in a few minutes. Stain removal. Toothpaste can remove stains on clothes. Recently spilled something on your favorite dress? Don't have the money to take it for special cleaning? Don't worry, because a simple solution can be found in toothpaste. You can use toothpaste to remove stains on clothes. Toothpaste has whitening agents that can work the same way on stains as they do on your teeth. Rub some toothpaste on the stubborn stain and allow it to sit for a few minutes before scrubbing it off. Rinse and repeat until the stain is gone. Make silver jewelry sparkle. There's no need to pay for expensive jewelry cleaning. Use a tiny amount of toothpaste on a toothbrush to gently buff clean your silver jewelry and diamonds. Rinse thoroughly after and wipe clean with a cloth. Toothpaste for wrinkles. Wrinkles can be lightened with the help of toothpaste too. All you need to do is apply a little toothpaste on the area and leave it for 5 minutes. Then rinse. Do it 2 times a week to see the best results. Removes acne and pimples overnight. We all face the problem of pimples and acne. However, it's possible to treat those overnight with toothpaste. Ingredients: 2 teaspoons of toothpaste, 2 teaspoons of aloe vera gel. Mix 2 teaspoons of aloe vera gel and 2 teaspoons of toothpaste in a bowl. Make sure to mix it well in order to avoid the formation of lumps. Apply this thick paste on your face with the help of a cotton pad. Do this before going to bed every day and wash it off in lukewarm water. Repeat this remedy 2 times a week until all your acne and pimples are gone. Toothpaste to lighten dark underarms. To lighten your dark underarms without spending so much, just take a small amount of toothpaste and mix it with some tomato juice. Then apply to your underarms. Apply them twice a week for 4 weeks to see the difference. Get lighten, soft, and silky, beautiful underarms. Smooth out scratches on a watch face or your phone. Toothpaste can also be used for buffing out tiny scratches on glass, including your watch face or phone. If you have some tiny scratches on your watch face or phone screen, simply buff them with a tiny blob of toothpaste. Use sparingly and avoid spreading it everywhere, as this may damage the device. Remove nail polish stains. No matter how long you scrub, some traces of nail varnish are impossible to remove. If your nail varnish has left unsightly bright staining on your nails, toothpaste can help to remove them. Apply some whitening toothpaste to your fingernails. and brush off to leave them looking natural and pearly white. Soothe a minor burn. Just nicked yourself on the hair straightener or the edge of a hot pan? Quick, apply some toothpaste into the area to deliver a temporary cooling effect. This is such a handy toothpaste hack to know. It's a wonder you've ever lived without it. Clean up hair dye stains. If your hair dye has leaked onto your forehead or around your hairline, as it so often does, grab some toothpaste and use it to scrub away any stains. You can also use this trick to get rid of tanning lotion stains on your palms and fingers. Whitening toothpaste is best. Cell phone screen protector. A little toothpaste can help your cell phone screen look fresh from the factory again. Just be careful to not scrub hard and go easy on how much water you use. I hope you enjoyed our video. Remember to like and subscribe. See you next time. Bye!